Hello, hello. Welcome to the Lynn Kelly channel. Lynn Kelly, author. Today I am going to press some small roses from my garden using the Microfleur microwave flower presser. I just finished pressing all these grape leaves from our grapevine, and now I'm going to go ahead and move to the flowers and see how they turn out. Here we go. The flowers will go in between these two sheets of fabric. The instructions say do not overlap the flowers. I'm going to take their advice so that these turn out okay. I'm going to dry the leaves, and then when I use them in a scrapbooking project or altered art project, I'll just place the leaves wherever they will look best. Now let's see if I need to cut those apart. I think I'll leave those together, but the leaves, I want them to go like that. That'll look really pretty in a project. And then there's a baby leaf. Okay, so I want to press them flat. Same with this. Okay, and then I have this one, and then these. Isn't that neat that they're different colors? So pretty. All right, they're gonna have to be cut apart so they don't overlap. There. And these are too close together, so cut that off. Okay. Put it up here. And these two can stay together like that. Okay, and then I'll put the leaves over here. Spread them out a bit. Okay. So I'm going to press them flat, as flat as I can get them, and hope they don't fall apart. Okay. All right. Here we go. Wish me luck. I have a feeling these roses have a lot of moisture in them and are going to take more than one burst. But I will start with a 60-second burst. Even though the instructions say to start with 45 seconds, I am impatient. So I'm cheating, and besides that, my microwave is not a high-powered microwave, so I think it'll be okay. Doing a 1-minute burst, 60 seconds. Ow! Oh, this is still hot from drying the grape leaves. So be mindful that you do not burn yourself when you are using the Microfleur microwave flower presser, because it does get pretty hot. Okay, let's see how 1 minute does. Okay, I used a pot holder to take this out because it's so hot. Let's see what 60 seconds in the microwave did for these cute roses that I picked from our garden. Okay. Lots of steam coming off of that. Oh, and look at all the moisture. Wow. Let me wipe it with a paper towel in case I have to do another burst. This, and hopefully the roses will not be sticking to the fabric. They are a little bit up. I don't want to pull the petals off. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they're not done. If they're limp, then you know that they're not done, and I can see. It's hot. Yeah, the leaves, I mean the petals are sticking. I need a toothpick. Okay, so let me pull this out and show you. Actually, this is almost done. Oh, look at that. I love that this little petal is not completely flat. It kind of has a 3D effect. Cool. Well, maybe it will not need longer than a minute. Maybe it's just cooling it off will do the trick. Let me get a toothpick so I can pull this up and see if they're done or not. Looking good. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. They just needed to cool off before I pulled this up. Okay, see how this one is doing. Oh, nice. Okay, one more. Oh, there's another one back there. Okay. Get the petal off. There. And let's see this last one. Okay. That's done. Oh, I love it. Let's see how it looks against one of the grape leaves. Oh, that looks pretty. Look. Cool. Okay. So that worked out great. It went fast. Just 1 minute did the trick. Okay. And the leaves are done. Okay, it's sticking to the other piece of cloth. So let me use the toothpick. There. And it is not limp. Look, so you know it's done. Nice. Okay, those are sticking. Let's see how this one is. This one's coming off real easy. Okay, there we go. That gives you some idea what they're going to look like in the scrapbooking project. That's looking good. That one's done. Oh. I'm just setting them there for now. I don't know how I will arrange them for the project. I'm just setting them there to show you how nice it looks. Okay, let's get this one. Oops, a petal stuck. But actually this looks really good. Look at how beautiful the multicolors look. I love it. And then these stuck. So I will put them in a little box that I keep all the loose petals in. Let me get this out of the way so you can see how beautiful these little roses turned out. Let me zoom in and show you because they look great. It's gonna look really nice for scrapbooking. So you can arrange them however you want. Oh, I just broke the leaves. But that's okay because I can glue them. Okay. Go like that. Let's zoom in on them. This one is my favorite. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video.